Let's ask ChatGPT your very first prompt and have a look at a few things that you can do here. I'll just ask, how many ounces in a cup? And you come up with your own everyday question that you could ask ChatGPT and drop your question in the chat below. And ChatGPT is giving us a fairly long and detailed answer. If this is not quite the answer that you're looking for, then you can always click down here on Regenerate Response. And as you can see, ChatGPT generates a new answer, this time a lot shorter. Now up here you can click a few things, if it's better or worse or same. We don't really need that right now. Up here you can copy the answer or give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. This is all not that important, but if you want to cut feedback, you can do it here. If you're still not satisfied, you click on Regenerate Response again and again and again. As often as you want. At one point ChatGPT will not generate something new, but let's just do it a couple of times here. Now when we are done with that, we can go up here where you see the small 5, and there we can click on the arrow, and here we can toggle between the different responses that we got from ChatGPT. Now, as you know, we can always provide follow-up corrections and refine our prompt. So if ChatGPT didn't quite answer our question right, we can refine it. So let's ask, or let's say, I'm referring to fluid ounces. And ChatGPT gives us a new answer based on our refinement. And it mentions different countries here. So let's just ask ChatGPT to list the differences between the countries. And in this way, you can always further refine your prompt and continue engaging in the conversation to get exactly what you want. And let's click on Regenerate Response again. And when we do that down here, you can see you can also click on Stop Generating. When you already see, hey, it's not exactly what I want, or this is way too much, just click on Stop Generating and you can type in something new. Or of course, you just click on Regenerate Response again. And it looks like this time this is actually what I had in mind. This is actually how I wanted the response. So yeah, great to see that. And of course you can always toggle up here, as always, between the different answers. And in the next videos of our Beginners Tutorial series, we'll look at a few example everyday use cases. So let's have a deeper look at ChatGPT as an idea giver in the video right over here.